It's a very, very important breaking news for 2025 JAMB candidates. In fact, this is the kind of news that many of us has been waiting for. I mean, how can people study hard for JAMB and JAMB is giving them 170, 130? People that we know put in effort, that deserve to score 200 and above, 300 and above. Some of them that are even biology teachers are scoring like 37 in biology out of 100. So there's been a nationwide protest, and this is the official news, and I want you to pay attention to it because this news can actually help you to review your result. This news can actually make it possible for you, right? For you to upgrade your result. For those of you that scored very low and you put in your best, you actually scored high and they gave you a low result, there is a solution for you. JAMB to review UTME result after widespread protest of low scores. You know, there have been a protest protesting the low scores that people were giving in this year's JAMB. Okay, so let's read this news that just broke now. On Monday, I don't know the day you are watching this video. On Monday should be 12th, right? The JAMB announced that it is reviewing the recently released tertiary matriculation board examination UTME result. So after all our talk, I used to tell you that we will keep pushing and pushing. After all our effort behind the scene on social media, JAMB has now come back. We are bringing them back to maybe to review what they put out. I mean, gone are the days when you write exam, they will just give you any kind of score without giving you the score sheet for you to actually check whether it is what you got that was given to you. So the days of such is ending. In a statement by its spokesman, Fabian Benjamin, the board, that is JAMB, said it is fast forwarding its annual review system, a comprehensive post-mortem of the examination process as a result of the significant volume of unusual complaints. They are calling it unusual complaints, but they are the one that gave us a result that really doesn't reflect your efforts. So I want you to calm down. That followed the release of the 2025 UTME result on Friday. If it is determined, look at what they said, that there were indeed glitches, we will implement appropriate remedial measures promptly, as we do in the case of examination themselves. The board says so. They said that they will set up a panel to review how the exam went, and if they confirm that people got a result that does not reflect what they should get, that they will make an effort to remedy it. Now, I will tell you what to do. The board said it is particularly concerned about the unusual complaint from a few states within the federation. This is everywhere, not just in a few states. According to the statement, the board is scrutinizing this complaint in details to identify and rectify potential technical issues. I hope that you know there is a way that you can complain to JAMB directly on the JAMB portal. Do you know that? If you want me to teach you how to complain directly to JAMB through to the JAMB portal so that they read your message, you let me know. I will make a video for you on that, or share the link to complain directly to JAMB. Okay? JAMB said the annual review encompasses 3 stages: registration, examination, and result release. Let's move on. It's to explain that during the examination, JAMB ensures that every candidate is afforded the opportunity to sit the test. But it's not true. I know some people that, found it difficult to even write the exam, either that the system was not working or that the questions were not even complete. Did you experience such? In fact, come under the comment of this video. Tell me the experiences, the ugly experiences you had in your JAMB exam day. Tell me if you think that the JAMB result they gave you is actually what you deserve. Okay? JAMB assures that every candidate is afforded the opportunity, and should any technical issues arise, the board reschedules the examination for affected candidates. So they are saying that if a candidate was truly affected, that they could reschedule such candidates' exam. Right? I hope you are still with me. Now, they say that they have engaged experts, professionals to review JAMB 2025 results and how it went. Okay? Look at what they said. Members from the Computer Professionals Association of Nigeria, the external examiners who are head of tertiary institutions, the Educational Association and Research Network in Africa, measurement experts and vice chancellors from various, can you imagine? Because of our complaint, by the way, I need everybody to keep complaining. If you're on Twitter, keep tweeting. If you're on Facebook, keep posting that what JAMB gave you is not what you should get. Do you understand? Except if you are comfortable, right? Okay. Let's move on. We had reported that candidates and other Nigerians took to social media to protest the low score recorded by some candidates who had previous records of better performance. This year, more than 78% of candidates who sat for JAMB scored less than 200 points. Can you imagine that? I mean, even this year I noticed people read more. There was much more seriousness than even previous years. Okay, so we expected something better, and that is not what we got. Okay. This year, each candidate takes 4 subjects, each graded 100 points. Okay, let's move on. Using the hashtag, "This is not my result," they expressed concern and called for a review of the results. So I need you, anything you are posting on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Telegram, especially on Twitter, please post hashtag "This is not my JAMB result" or "This is not my result." Let it trend. If we are posting once, post it twice, thrice. Let it trend. Engage all your friends that wrote JAMB that were given a poor result, and you know that these people actually read their books and they deserve more. Let us keep trending it, posting it. In fact, comment it under this comment. Hashtag "This is not my result" or hashtag "This is not my JAMB result." They expressed concern and called for a review of the result. Okay. However, JAMB registrar, a professor, said that the result has been consistent with the trend over the years. This is the excuse they are giving. Okay. They are saying that other years like 2024, 2023, 2022, that people has been failing JAMB. But we are just asking them to simply give us a review. Just open up. How did they mark the result? What came out of it? And tell us how we perform. Don't just come online and give us a score. Tell us how you marked it and all the rest. Now, let me know what you have to do. There is this man, N.H.S. I saw him in Enugu Tech Festival just a few days ago. He was there to speak. The executive officer of Educare, a software solution for schools, has begun compiling the list of affected candidates in preparation for a lawsuit. So people are coming together to sue JAMB to the court. Do you want it? Let me know your comment. Ms. Oye said that more than 11,000 candidates have filled the form as of Monday morning. So I need you to go to Twitter and look for this man. Just type Alex Oya of Educare, ADUCALRE, EDUCALE. Just search him out. See how you can also join the movement. Okay. At this moment of making this video, more than 11,000 JAMBites like you has filed a petition against JAMB. We need also then mark sheet released to them, and also exam dates 24, 25, 26, and 28 of April must be thoroughly investigated quickly. 26 April is the worst of them all. That all is with all its incomplete question and blank questions he poses. So the essence of this video is to alert you to what is actually happening right now, so that you will join others to do what they are doing as we keep full. I'll be giving you updates. For you to get updates, remember to join our YouTube channel. You can see a link to join. Click on join. Like this video, share this video, ensure you share this video on YouTube, on WhatsApp, on Facebook. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once you type I have subscribed, let me know in the comment section. Remember the hashtag. Remember to share with me your ugly experiences as we continue to push for a better result for all of you.